What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing of the Mac Mini. This little video is meant to be kind of just a first impression for me, as well as an unboxing, but I'm actually switching. This is gonna be my new workhorse, or my new workstation. I got the M4 Pro Mac Mini with 24 gigs of RAM, only 512 gigabytes of storage, but from what I've seen, it actually down the road might not be that hard to add additional storage yourself. I'm gonna look more into that, but aside from that, I also have a lot of drives that I'll just be operating off of anyways, so 512 should be plenty for me to have on the base unit. But yeah, guys, here it is. It is so small. See if you can get, and I'll be the first to admit, I have very small hands, so it's not much bigger than my hand. It's got pretty minimal ports around it too, but enough. It's got two Type-C on the front as well as a headphone jack. And then on the back, you've got your power, you got your Ethernet plug right here, one HDMI, and then your 3 Thunderbolt ports right here. So it gives you everything you need, really. I've also got a dock that I use that I'll be plugging into this, and that'll kind of help connect all my monitors. Biggest thing I saw a lot of people complaining about was the power button on this thing. It's on the bottom, as you can see. And it's not even on the front, it's towards the back. So it's towards the back corner here, instead of I could understand if it was right here or right here, but it's on the back for some reason. I guess I'll have to actively pick this thing up and turn the power on. So not super thrilled about that. That just seems like a bad design flaw in my opinion. But other than that, I'm really stoked with this thing because of how small it is, but also this is gonna be the first time that I move on from my M1 Pro chip. I've been using an M1 Pro MacBook Pro for all my, as my main workstation for all my projects and other things, ever since I got it back in 2021. And that thing has not missed a beat, really. It has started to slow down a little bit on pretty extensive renders in Premiere, or if I have a lot of sequences open in the same project. But aside from that, it really has continued to do a good job. So I'll be really curious to see if there is a big difference that I noticed coming from the M1 Pro to the M4 Pro. I think the jump from 16 gigs to 24 gigs in memory is going to I'll definitely be able to notice that. But aside from that, I'm really not sure if I'm gonna notice a whole bunch. I wanna do some comparisons of rendering and exporting the same project and see what it's like. Maybe I'll make that a video, but see if there's any differences, see if the M4 Pro is any quicker, and just how the Mac Mini performs. I'm really stoked though, because I've wanted to have a dedicated just desktop station that lives at home. It's not that big of a deal, but it's something that I was looking forward to, is having a mobile station, if you will, with my MacBook Pro, but then also the Mac Mini being my main working station that just lives here at home. Another cool little thing that I showed you guys, the cable that comes with it, if I can get it to focus, there we go. It's a black cable, which is cool. I don't know, this is my first Mac Mini, so I don't know if they all come in that color, but it's just kind of nice that they have it, and it's also kind of that same braided material. But that's it for this video, guys. I wanted to just showcase an unboxing of the Mac Mini and give you my general thoughts and my plans for it, why I'm getting it, what I'm coming from. So in the future, I'm gonna do a more comprehensive video on the performance of this thing, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like down below. I would appreciate that, as well as subscribe if you enjoy your general tech content. I've got a ton of video projects prepped for 2025, so stay tuned for that. There might be a few giveaways mixed in there as well. But as always, guys, that is enough watching content and consuming. Get out there and create something yourself. I'll see you all in the next video.